Hello, welcome to part two of the design. So this is what we left off on, and this is the design that we came from. So as you can tell, this one's solid colors. I could do it like this, but I just thought it would look cooler like this. So it does have this like underbase effect, and we're going into channels from here. So this is two size. I grouped everything together. Technically I delete all this, but I just like to keep things just in case. So we're going into a screen printing mindset. First color would probably be yellow since it's the lightest. But we're going into channels. This is the selection of the yellow. Invert it, double click it, go to spot color, and then grab that yellow we used. Yellow, and then 15. Doesn't matter about the name. I know how to spell it. Grab the blue. Oh, yep. Grab the blue, boom, channel, invert, spot color, blue, okay, and repeat on all the colors, red, try and go quickly, 15, just so it has a good representation of what screen print is. Spot color, purple. I use tab a lot. I think tab is probably one of the most important things. It speeds up your stuff so quickly. So like for example, I double click it, I'll put green, spot color, green, and then from here I just press tab, okay. But things like that makes your life a lot easier. Grab all the white, invert it, highlight white, spot color. This one's gonna be 100, no, 100, and then grab the black. We are gonna do black just because the spots are super small. I don't want the black to actually be in the design. So I want it to look exactly the way I think it's gonna look. So I'm doing black just in case. I think it's gonna look better, personal opinion. So we're gonna make the T, make it slightly not black, just so you can see the black. And this is the design without an underbase. So you can do the underbase in two ways. This one's the easy way. You can just do paste all the colors in one channel, make it white, and then put it under. So, spot color, white, okay, underbase, 80, okay. And this would be the exact same thing as the way that we designed it. I thought it would look better, more dimensional with a different kind of underbase. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna duplicate the entire design. Okay, just so we don't mess with the original. And we're going to grab this original one. I see that I moved it, so let me move it back into place. Alright, it is exactly where it's supposed to go. Yeah. We can move it again if necessary. But we'll make this black so it doesn't grab any halftones in that. We're going to get rid of the white around. 25 is good. Get rid of this white, get rid of that white. Boom, boom, boom. Get rid of all the white just so it doesn't pick up in the halftone underbase. But there it is. So you put it on a black on a black background, so it grabs the contrast, I guess. So that is like the underbase, what we would want the underbase to look like in a regular version. So from here, we're going to make it into a halftone version. Go into scripts, browse, and halftone converter. If you want this file, it's very, very helpful, I guess. But if you want it, just email me, or email me, info@dreamshirtstudios.com. And then we're going to make it 300 because the original file is at 300 resolution. I hope. 300 resolution. Okay. So it matches. You'll see right now. So I'm going to halftone convert it. Select inverse, grab that, and then go back here, go into channels, and paste that. Oh, contiguous was on. Copy it, boom. Yes. Yeah. So make this our new underbase. I'm gonna put base 2, 80, and now we're gonna see the difference. So there's the underbase, and you can see that it has just a more dimensional effect. You can see the kind of dimension of her face. I like it better. I mean, that's just a personal opinion. But also, I want to get rid of those shadows. So I clicked the original underbase, so every single color, inverted it, and then now I can delete everything that's not, not the design. But I don't know, I like it better. It makes her nose a little bit more apparent. It adds that dimensionality. I'm gonna make sure to grab the white. I'm just gonna grab highlight white to make sure that the underbase, this one has that, and then there it is. This is basically films from now on. So this would be the underbase film. We put crop marks on it, and then now it's a film. And this is the design. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colors with the base. And so you can see that is one version how to do it, and this is another version how to do it. You can also go in and do adjustments and make it more white, more bright, so you have more halftones like that, and then do the same thing, mode, scripts, browse, but you can see the difference right now. 300. But I did play with this a lot, so the design is how I want it. Foam, paste. So it's a lot brighter, for sure. Base 3, 80, bring it all the way up. So it's a lot brighter compared to this. But if that's what you want, I don't see a reason why not to. Mine's a little bit in between both of these. And again, there is so it has that dimensionality. It's just a little bit brighter. You can tweak it. You can play with that as much as you would like with your designs. But that's just a technique that I use. You don't have to use it, but that's how I went about making this one. Get rid of that, and yes. So that's basically it. If you would like to purchase this t-shirt, you can purchase it on my website, dreamshirtshop.com. But if you have any questions about graphic design, feel free to email me or just leave it in the comments. I'll respond to them. But thank you so much for watching. Yeah, have a great rest of your day.